Hello guys, my name is Ahmed and I'll show you how to make a easy weasy lemon squeezy white like a plain paper. First step, fold it in a half. Now hold this and squeeze it in a line. Now open it. Now what you're going to do is flip it in the back and do this. Oh, first thing, now you gotta do that. Now do this. Now do another one. Wait, first. Now do this. Now you gotta do this. Now that, and do the other side. Now do another one. Now to the other side. It's easy. Now do this. And now I'm done with it. It's like, now I gotta do this. Now I'm done. I'm gonna make another paper that's gonna be really magical. First step, do the same thing, but the last part is going to be really different. Do this. And that. Now, hold it. There. Now it's straight. See? Now, another time. One more time. Now, you're going to do this. Straight. If it's not straight, it would not be going good. Now do the same thing. That. And do the other side. Like this. It's not difficult, it's easy. Now you're going to fold it like this. It's like the mill. Now, you're going to do this. Now, you're not going to put it like all the way like that, but it's going to be like this. Now, other side. I'll bend it, and now do this. Now there's also 3 more parts that is going to be done. Okay, now you're going to do a easy one that is this. Now this, and do that. Now, what I'm going to do is this. You see this line? You're gonna fold it like this. All the way like this. Wait, Let me show you after I'm doing it. Wait. Okay, like that. Now you see that's right here. This one has to be like that. This part, you could just see it. You don't need a doll. You could just try. Now, you could do this. The same part. I'm going to do this. Now, what you're going to do is keep it straight. Now, keep straight. Okay, now you're gonna do this. And you could do the same thing as the other side. Not that hard, but it's easy. Now you could do that. Now, do this. If you're 4 years old or 5, you could just ask an adult to do it. Now do this. The other one. Now I'm done. I have a brother that he's gonna make another video. So if you're 6 years old, you could do it by yourself. If you want to memorize it, you have to keep watching. Bye.